Now let's look at the room data. Apart from number and name, I can add more information, for example a comment if necessary. Let's say I put a comment on the kitchen explaining that it has different areas. When you finish writing it, you have to press enter, otherwise the information is not recorded. Then we can add departments. In small projects like a residential house for an average family, usually they are not really needed, because there aren't a lot of stories there. However, for a hospital or a project of a high school, maybe it's important to group specific rooms in specific departments, so we will get things more organized. Let's say I want a kitchen in a specific department, common areas. I insert that name in this blank and press enter. Here, a color was assigned to the room. However, this won't happen if you are doing this for the first time, but I will explain that later. Then I want to add the living room and the dining. I select the living room, hold Ctrl, select the dining, then go to the department section, and if you click on the arrow, it should be already there. I can also add the laundry to the same department. Then for the bedroom, I create a new department called Bedrooms, a WC department, and also another one for the passage areas, the corridors and the stairs. Now let's learn how to add a legend. Go to the Annotate tab, click on Color Fill Legend, and now I can put it, for example, at the side. To edit this, select the legend. You can see the Modified tab is now personalized for Color Fill Legends. I'm going to click on Edit Scheme, and here we can change the colors to the ones that we want. Then, if you look at the section at the left, we can decide if we want to define a section by department or name. In this case, we could set a color for each room. And now the legend is displayed by name. Now look at the example here. I hadn't assigned a color scheme before. That's why I don't have colors yet. When you do it for the first time, it says no color scheme assigned to view. You place it on the project, and then you get this window, where you have to choose rooms. Then click on OK, and by default it automatically applies to the department.